Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to generate a code using the Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, go to Excel, a blank document. Okay. To generate code, first we need to fill up the specific with the specific information. So here in the first column, I will put name, actually first name. The second column, I will put last name. In the third column, I will put the day. That means the date of birth, day, month, and year. Okay, so here it is. So let's fill up this information. John, the last name, John Doe, day is 21st January. Okay, I fill up the wrong column. 21st January and 2022. So Excel by default don't put the numbers. So let's validate this column data. Format cell, go to number. Okay, so I put it text so that it won't dissimulate any number. So here I put 01. Okay, so here in this column I will generate the code. So first we'll generate code using a specific formula. So we'll use the first word of the first name, first word of the last name, and the date, and two character of month, and last two character of year. Okay, so due to, so I put equal sign concentrate. I'll use the concentrate formula. Okay, then I use left formula. So left formula actually use the left, so I select the column row A2, so and I select the cell A2 and then put a comma. So now I have to define how many character I need to put from here. So I'll keep on. So if I close this, and then you can see that it only put J. Okay, first character. So if I put 2 here, then you can see that it is actually taking the 2 characters. Okay, so let's get back again and then put 1. So I just need to copy the formula and then okay, paste it here, left here. So replace these 2 second column and let's try this. Okay, it says incorrect value because I put an asterisk in here. Okay, I think now it's fine. Yes. So you can see that they are pulling the first character of first name and the first character of last name. I have to pull this column, so it's easy. You can simply put it here, a comma this column, then comma this column, and then comma right. We'll use the right formula, and then this column, and then comma 2, last two. You'll use the last two character. Okay, I think we made something wrong in this column. P2. Okay, this cell is not properly defined, so I'll define this one as well now. Okay, let's check where is the issue. D2. Let's look at the formula from here where we missed the part. Okay, we need to introduce a bracket here. Okay, let's pause this. So we have corrected the formula. Now formula is correct. So basically we didn't put the bracket, that's why this throwing the error. So thank you everyone. I hope this will help. So now you can see that it's generating code. So if I drag it down and if I write name here, Mario train, so you can see that it automatically pulling the word. So let's say January 22, 1st January, and then 2022. So it's generating code. Thank you.